Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation F-150 year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the driver door module. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses from, why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. We will demonstrate specifically on the 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have 2 different fuse boxes in your truck. One is under the hood, guys. If you open the hood, right behind the car battery, you have a fuse box. If you open it, you will see that you have relays, fuses, different kinds that could be really hard to find, expensive, or impossible to find, guys, in some cases to replace at part stores in small towns. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some fuses, relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. Check it out for your convenience. The fuse for the driver door module will be located in the fuse box that's inside your cabin on the passenger side in the footwell by that kick panel, guys. If you remove that plastic, you're going to open a fuse box that looks like that. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check for the driver door module now, I'm going to zoom in, guys, and if you see, you have some weird looking fuses here as well. Those are double fuses, guys. Okay, those are 2 fuses in one. That's crazy. Some of you may not ever seen anything like that. But the fuse for the driver door module, if you come in that row right here and you see the number next to the fuse, fuse number 25, it will be that 30 amp fuse that you will need to check specifically for the driver door module, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.